Hi guys, welcome to By TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. In this video, I will show you how to replace the thread with your Vision embroidery machine. When you receive the Vision embroidery machine, you will find we have already heavy threaded machine, and all the thread was in one knot. So you just needed to untie the knob, just like this. And then you can make all the threads separately. Okay, next we will replace the threads by connect the new thread with the old thread. Here, we'd like to take the number 2 thread as an apple. Then we can make a knot to connect the 2 threads together. Okay, finished. After making the knot, now you can pull the thread from this side. Here is a tip for you. In order to protect the needle, we suggest you can take a thread out of the needle first. Then you can keep to pull the thread from this side. Now you can slowly pull the thread. Keep to pull the thread. And here you can raise up the press bar so that the knot can go through easily. Okay, now you can cut the thread from the new thread part. Last step, go through the needle hole. Put the extra thread under the press bar. Cut the extra part. Now we have finished all the replacement works. If you still want to change another color, you just make the same operation like this. Alright, that's all for today's video about how to replace the thread with your Vision embroidery machine. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share it. See you next time.